Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to show the shopping bag in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add the shopping bag for, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add the shopping bag here, just select the header section with your mouse, then click on edit header, jump to the elements tab, and next to show shopping cart, enable this option. As you see, it was automatically inserted here. Now click on edit shopping cart. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now click on edit shopping cart to be able to edit the icon text, for example, shopping bag. You can also adjust the icon size. You have three sizes to select from. I will keep it. I will go with small. Now close this, or let's jump to the style. There is nothing you can edit from this style tab. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website to save or to publish these changes. Let's view my website live. And this is how to show the shopping bag in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.